What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are installing the ISR exhaust on the G. So yeah, I have to take it out with my cover, let it warm up, and yeah, I'm gonna head over to my uncle's shop and put this thing on. Alright, let's get in it. Oh god, it is cold, bro. It's 8 in the morning. Oh, alright, let's hear a cold start on the for the last time on the Beluga Racing exhaust. So damn, bro, cold. I forgot to mention that we're installing the carbon fiber spoiler as well. But yeah, we got the white pipe and the ISR exhaust back there. So yeah, just got to the shop. I'm gonna take off the Beluga Racing down here, and yeah, we're gonna replace it. This bad boy right here. Yep. That is my uncle over there. I thought my suspension was like that. Oh my god. Just like hot. So we got everything right here. This is the white pipe. I guess you could call it the mid pipe. And this is the exit sequence. Freaking big. But yeah. This goes down like this.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
Alright guys, so we got the white pipe on right here. And then we got this mid pipe on. We're probably gonna take this off, but I have it right now because they were sustaining it. And we had a little issue right here with it not like reaching, but it reached. And then we got this in. But right now, the big issue, I think it's because my car is in vintage G37X. And not rear wheel drive. I think that's the dilemma. But because this was reaching like way over here. It was like over here, that us. And my uncle's trying to make it stay with you where it's at right now. But he put a rope connected to that and this. But the thing is, this thing is about to get out, and if that gets out, then this falls, and I don't want that to happen. So, but I mean, it's looking good. I haven't showed you guys the carbon fiber spoiler. Look at this. Shit is so shiny and nice, man. My gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna install that as well. And I recommend if you buy one, I recommend you buy this 3M tape, because it usually comes with a really bad 3M tape. But yeah, this 3M tape is really good when installing it. So yeah, I'll show the process of that. But I mean, so far the car is looking good. Alright guys, so the exhaust is put on, and now it's time to hear how it's gonna sound. Here we go. Oh shit, that sounds correct. Oh my god. Right here, because you can see it's kind of hidden right here. Gonna do that, cutting there, and then we're gonna weld it. So yeah, because it's supposed to look like this, but it's not going. Yeah, it's supposed to look like this, but it's not going to its position. So what are you doing this? Clip, here we go. This is what it sounds without the window down. Very, very, very good. It's nice. Man, I fuck with this, bro. Oh my god. Alright, this is with the window down. I'm gonna have to pass these cars. Golly, bro! Oh my god! Dude, this shit sounds so good. Holy shit.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
All right, guys, we are home now, and yeah, about to head to Costco real quick because I gotta get some things, but everything is done now. This looks amazing, sounds amazing. We got the spoiler on as well. Gives it a way different look, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys have not got this for your G, I recommend it. And yeah, I'll show you guys the front of the car as well. Next mod is for sure gonna be some new wheels, some new rims. But yeah. Oh, we'll rev it a little bit just for you guys.
Oh my lordy lord.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.